back to Kirk Kooks. It is that time of the week again. It is Pizza Wednesday and we are once again tackling Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizza. It once again involves anchovies, and this time the anchovies get topped with a bit of hot fudge. This pizza is from episode 131, The Sword of Yorikawa. So let's make this thing. Give a quick recap of the dough process. Cold water, boiling water, yeast, give that a mix, flour, salt, yeast and water mix, knead, grease your bowl, give that a wipe, work your dough into a ball, cover and leave to proof until doubled inside. And a quick recap of the sauce process. Tin of tomatoes, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, pinch of garlic granules, pinch of basil, a pinch of oregano and blend. And that's finished. That leaves us with a nice dough ball. So let's dough. Get this stretched out quickly. Okay, so that's about stretched out. As always in the cartoon, they look like a cheese and tomato pizza, so we make a cheese and tomato pizza and we top it. So first thing we need is our tomato sauce base. About 2/3 of a ladle. Pour that on and smother it around. So we want some anchovy fillets. Again, a little bit of kitchen roll. Take a few of these out. Just give these a pat down to get rid of some of this oil. You can see like there's a hell of a lot of grease on these things. Okay, I did forget to move this onto the peel before I put the sauce on. It makes it stick to this a bit, so you need to make sure whatever you're cooking it on, before you put your sauce on, you've got it on that. So I've done that now, floured the peel, moved the pizza over onto the peel. So let's chop up these anchovies. And let's put those on here. Add some chocolate fudge. The episode does say hot fudge, but I mean, this is chocolate fudge sauce. It's going to go hot when it's in there, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Bit of mozzarella. And that is about ready for the oven. Okay, so our anchovy and hot fudge pizza is ready to come out. It doesn't look terrible, almost looks like a barbecue pizza, but we all know that's not barbecue. That's chocolate fudge sauce with anchovies underneath it. Let's take a slice.
Sorry, compadres, I just can't resist an anchovy and hot fudge pizza.
Very nice crunchy dough. Come on there, because there's a nice big anchovy on the end of this bit. It's the first anchovy one I haven't spat out. I won't be eating any more of it though, but it didn't have an horrible texture, just horrible flavour. If you liked anchovies, you'd probably like this. It's just like a fishy with a little sweet hint to it, but I think it's disgusting. It was better than the anchovies and butterscotch. It was better than the anchovies and bananas. I won't eat it again, and there's one more anchovy one after this, then I'm done with anchovies for the rest of my life. So, thanks for watching. Gonna go throw this in the bin.